all, welcome to Easy Grammar. Today we are going to learn 5 most common English idioms. Idioms don't mean exactly what the words say. They have, however, a hidden meaning. We do not take the literal meaning of each word but use the complete idiom in the form of an expression to communicate people. You might have probably heard some of them, especially in TV shows and movies, and wondered why can't you understand these idioms even though you fully understand the words. Today we will cover some easy and interesting idioms which we can use in daily conversation. For more interesting video, kindly do subscribe to my channel. So let's get going. The first idiom which you are going to learn today is a piece of cake. A piece of cake. The meaning for this idiom is something is very easy. Here we are going to see few examples for this idioms. First example, the English test was a piece of cake, or logging into my computer is a piece of cake. Now we will see the exact meaning of this sentence. The English test was superb easy. The second sentence, logging into my computer is very simple. This idiom can be used when you have done something without any efforts. You have effortlessly done those work, or you have taken a very simple steps to complete the task, or you have accomplished your goal very easily. The next idiom which you are going to learn today is to feel under the weather. To feel under the weather. The meaning is not well or unwell or being sick. Few examples for this idioms are I didn't go to work today as I was feeling bit under the weather. Or we had a heavy lunch today and now I am feeling a bit under the weather. The exact meaning of these examples are I didn't go to the work today because I'm not feeling well. In the second sentence, we had a heavy lunch today and now I am feeling little bit sick. You can use these idioms when you feel ill or when you feel sick. The next common idiom we are going to learn is once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. The meaning is an event that happens infrequently or rarely. Here we can see few examples for this idiom. I only go to the cinema once in a blue moon. Or I don't know why she bought that music system. She uses it once in a blue moon. The exact meaning for these sentences are first sentence, I only go to the cinema once in a long time. In the second sentence, I don't know why she bought that music system. She uses it very rarely. Once in a blue moon idiom can be used when you do something very rarely, not too often. Suppose if you go out for dinner very rarely, we go out to eat once in a blue moon. The next idiom which you are going to learn today is when pigs fly. When pigs fly. The meaning for this idiom is something that will never happen. Few examples for this phrase are when pigs fly, she will tidy up her room. Or who me skydive? I will do it when pigs fly. Or I asked my boss if I could go on 2 months vacation. He said yes when pigs fly. The exact meaning of this sentence is she is never going to clean up her room. In the second sentence, who, me, skydive? I will do it when pigs fly because the pigs don't fly and she is never going to do the skydiving. This idiom can be used in a situation where it is impossible or that will never going to happen. He will pay back your money when pigs fly. The next common idiom we are going to learn today is see eye to eye. Eye to eye. This means agreeing with someone. Few examples for this phrase are they finally saw eye to eye on the business deal, or my sister don't see eye to eye with me about the arrangement. The exact meaning of this first sentence is they finally agreed to the business deal. The second sentence, my sister don't agree with me about the arrangement. This phrase, eye to eye, is used when you view something in the same way as others do, or that you agree with someone about something. Thank you for clicking on this video.